can't cut hair and answer the phone at the same time? Unless you've got 3 arms, probably not. Those missed calls? Those were money. And that was Karen needing a root touch-up? Gone. A bridal trial? Gone. Poof. Call Agent AI answers your calls, books appointments, sends reminders, and never needs a coffee break. You focus on balayage. Let AI handle Brenda's panic bangs 24/7. No voicemails. No awkward, let me check. Just smooth bookings and happy clients. We'll even set it all up for you. Your call script, FAQs, old recordings, upload it. We'll handle the rest. And if Call Agent AI doesn't save you at least 5 hours this week, we'll help you set up your next provider. Free. It's like your front desk, without the attitude. One setup, instant results. Your AI receptionist is ready.
If your phone rings and nobody answers, your competitor just got richer.